buddy, it's on me. I do this as a hobby, you know. No biggie.
You don't want anything?
This relaxes me, I already told you. A toolbox a day keeps the doctor away. Hey man, you got a little toy in here. Some kind of horse. You need this back?
No.
Thanks, man. Thanks, man.
We haven't seen you around in a while. Where have you been?
Busy, man. What responsibilities? A grown man. I can't be sitting around in the park anymore.
Look, if you find a comb, will you please return it? I know I'll be in there, but it's a family heirloom. It's worth a lot. I'm in a lot of trouble. Sure, it will rock up somewhere, but you never know.
I'll let you know if I find anything. Ta-ra.
Did you ever get that sketchbook? I sent it through the post a while back now.
I don't think I can remember that.
Well, that's a shame. It was your grandfather's old sketchbook. Thought it might spark your interest. Do you still draw?
Not really, Gran. I went down a different route.
That's a shame.
I'm sorry about Granddad. I know how it feels.
And what is it you do now?
I work for a toolbox company. And I rearrange toolboxes, sometimes for a small fee. I actually go and blow them up.
You know, I haven't seen you since you found that little silver figurine. You said it was worth a lot. What did you do with it?
It wasn't an original. Well, I was passing by, so I thought I'd pop it.
Passing by to where?
The pawnbroker. I found this digging through one of my old toolbox jobs. Worth a lot of money, apparently. Need to be there in an hour.
Best friend I ever had. This mouse. She knew more about us humans than we know about ourselves. She wouldn't be bragging about being Employee of the Month at a toolbox company. Right, would you be a doll and pop this into the laundrette for me? I need my pants and best dress fresh. Marge is coming round tomorrow.
Can I help you?
I left something very valuable in that wash.
Your keys or something?
No, something far more valuable.
We would always swap out our lunches when I wasn't looking. He always had crummy hot sandwiches, and I had delicious leftovers. A friendship deteriorated over something so petty, but we were just kids, I suppose. Although nothing's changed, really.
Excuse me?
Hello?
You were just over there.
What are you talking about?
No. Are you putting a prank on?
I don't need to explain myself to you.
Oh yeah? How do you have time to keep this laundrette afloat when you spend all your time masquerading and pulling pranks?
Well, excuse me, what makes you think I work here? And what makes you think I would spend any of my time putting pranks on a little weasel like you?
Maybe you should ask yourself that question. Ugh.
it?
You do it then, if you're so smart.
Interesting how everything you do can change everything, right? Kind of like that game, Fable.
What's Fable? If that were true, then there would be a million different versions of ourselves across the infinite universes. I think Fate's is a whole lot more romantic.
Guys, do you really think it was flirting with me yesterday? No, see, take that as an example. If we hadn't decided to go out yesterday and did what we said we were going to do, go to the formal.
First of all, you decided that we were going to go.
Yes, if I had decided we were going to the formal, we would be sat here in a laundrette cleaning up puke. Maybe we would be friends and make toast instead of syrup 3 years ago. And maybe you'd be here and I'd have your job.
No universe is that happening.
You want to be a data analyst.
It's you! You! I know it's you!
I don't know you.
Who are you? This is your doing.
Hey, Buddy, you okay?
What the heck is happening to me?
What the fuck?
Are you upset?
Where are you from?
The bloody washing machine!
Oh my god! Thea!
You here to haunt me too? Have you got the time?
Everyone says I'm just like you, Traps.
I never took the time to find out. Now the time's gone.
Hello.
Oh, my figure.
Nice to see you too. Yeah, I've just moved back. I'm just in like this little flat above the shop, but we're still in the same area now. Yeah. It's okay, yeah. I've been here for like 2 weeks. Yeah, I'm enjoying it. There, I don't need to. Maybe I'll not say enough. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm same old same.
Yeah.
Is it expensive?
Like the London prices. Not terrible, but still really cool.
So what is it that you... Son, you have to push it harder.
Do I know you?
Whereabouts?